Nadia Dunn, welcome to CCL TV. Joining me today is Azeem from Sky Express. Thank you so much for being here today. Are you enjoying the conference?
Yeah, certainly. It's a very good gathering, so I'm enjoying the time here.
Excellent. Can you tell us a bit about Sky Express?
Sky Express is a regional freight forwarding and an express parcel delivery company. We have our presence in Dubai and across the Middle East region. We have offices in Qatar, Bahrain, Oman, Kuwait, and Qatar, and Saudi Arabia. So we do a hub and spoke model of sending outbound orders from Dubai to the Middle East region. We cover the clearance and last mile delivery for our customers requiring express clearance and delivery.
And how have the last 2 years been for you with COVID?
COVID has, in fact, increased the speed of conversion to e-com orders. So after the March downfall, it has actually gained pace quite quick. So April, May has really gained more momentum. May and June has really picked up well.
Excellent, that's good to know. And what do you see the future looking like?
The future of the express delivery is going to be mainly dependent on e-com orders, at least for the coming few years. So I see that there's a good positivity and more the investment on technology by the e-com companies such as augmented reality. The online shopping experience is going to improve, and certainly the requirements for a good delivery partner is quite essential, and we are there to serve the customers in that scope.
And tell us more about e-commerce and digitalisation within the industry.
E-commerce and digitalisation, now the customer requires transparency and an end-to-end clarity on the movement of the shipment. So gone are the days with papers moving around, right from collecting the shipments to getting the POD, the proof of delivery. It's all become paperless, and the updates are all real time. So I see that digitization is quite important in handling e-commerce orders, right from integration with the customer's software until having it properly delivered across our channel.
And Azeem, what are the challenges that the air cargo industry face at the moment?
Space availability is a challenge, so there are a limited number of people operating on the ground, and also the number of aircraft that's flying now. So space is what we find it as a problem, and in return what happens is the prices of air freight has also shot up quite high. So that's a big factor at the moment.
And how is that going to change?
The change is not going to be on the customer side for the time being. I mean, the e-commerce is picking up, and we need to go in hand with the customer to promote the e-com orders. The middlemen, as we have to take the hit there. So we are observing the margin what's being lost there.
Excellent. And what do you think about CCL TV being here at the conference?
It's wonderful. It's a good initiative by CCL TV to partner with NAP. So it's going to be a good journey for CCL TV as well.
Well, thank you so much for your time, and enjoy the rest of the conference.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.